day all, we know the first step to potential business deal is a guide that can be described as a lead when a customer makes an inquiry about the services or goods that the company offers. So these leads can be transformed into a business opportunity for the company. For an organization to be effective and successful, lead generation and its management are crucial. So in this video, let's see how we can create leads and what are the different ways to generate leads. So for that, just open customer relationship management module. So you can see this is our community database. And when you open this module, you can see different opportunities created. That is, after generating leads, we can convert them to opportunity, or directly we can create opportunities. Okay, so in order to generate leads, first of all, just go to configuration settings, and there we can find an option to create leads. So before the creation of an opportunity, we can add a qualification step. Then it is also possible to create leads from incoming emails. So when a customer contacts a company through emails, we can convert those customers, those inquiry to leads or opportunities. So here we can set a domain, and here we can use an external email server. So we can set incoming and outgoing email server. Then if you want to define recurring plans and revenues on opportunity, you can enable this option. Okay, so then you can create leads manually by clicking on leads from here. Okay, first of all, you have to save the settings. Now when you click on leads, here we can create, that is, we can manually create leads. So here we can see some of the created leads with the lead name, then contact information like email ID, phone number, company, city, country, you can see address informations, then assigned partner, salesperson and sales team responsible. Okay, now click on create button, and here we can provide lead like opportunity, then here we can set the probability of winning this lead, then company name, address, website, language, contact informations, and we can set a responsible salesperson and sales team. So by default, salesperson is set as Michelin and sales team is set as America, and here we can set a priority for this lead. Then we can assign tags, whether it is a software lead or product or services. Then we can add some description, then we can see some extra information related to lead, which can be like tracking informations, analysis. Then here we can see assign partner details. Okay, so after that you can save this lead, and later this lead can be converted to an opportunity. And if you lose this lead, you can mark as lost. Okay, so here we can see a button to convert this lead to opportunity. So when you click on convert to opportunity, here we can find different ways to convert. You can directly convert this lead to opportunity or merge with existing opportunities. If you have created some already created some opportunities, you can merge with this with that existing opportunity if they are related. Okay. So if you do so, here we have option to add those opportunities, and it will be merged. Okay, so I'm going to convert this to an opportunity, and here we can set the salesperson, sales team. And if you're going to create a new customer, you can choose a first option, or if you want to link to an existing customer, you can select that option and set that customer here. And if you don't want to link this opportunity with the customer, you can choose this option. Okay, I'm creating a new customer, and here I can create an opportunity. So the lead will be converted to opportunity, and we have done a separate video on how to convert opportunity lead to opportunity in Odoo 14 CRM in communities. You can check that. Okay, so after creating opportunity, you can create quotation from that. You can mark it as won or mark it as lost, and you can plan meetings, quotations. Okay, so when you check the pipeline, you can find that lead. So you can see it is new state. That lead is added, will be added in new state. So when you close my pipeline, you can see that opportunity created. It is created, and you can move it to qualified, then to proposition, and if it is one, you can move to one state. According to that, you can see the increase in revenue. So that's how we create a lead manually. Then there are different ways to generate leads. So let's check the configuration settings and see what are the other ways. One way is through website or email. Like if a customer visits our website and fill the contact form and submits a contact form, automatically a lead will be generated. So we have done that video in website. That is, you can check how to convert lead to opportunity. Sorry, how to create leads from website in Odoo 14 website. So you can check that video. Okay, so here below you can see some other techniques to generate leads. One is visit to leads, that is to convert visitors of your website into leads and perform data enrichment based on their IP address. So for that we can buy credits. That is, we have to buy credits. Then only we can create opportunities or leads. So when you enable this option, here we can define visit to lead rules. So when you come under configuration, here you can find an option to create visit to lead rules. So you can set some conditions, filtrations. So according to that, when a person visits website, lead will be generated. So here we can set a name for the rule. So here we can set data tracking. We can track companies or both companies and their contracts. So here we can see a message shown like one credit is consumed per visitor matching the website traffic conditions and whose company can be identified. So in order to extract information, we need to have credit. So per visitor, one credit will be consumed. And when you choose second option, that is, if you want to track both companies and contacts, you have to make sure that that is, if you have GDPR complaint for storing personal data as we are extracting contact details, then we can make it as active, and then here we can provide the website traffic conditions. So if the conditions are satisfied, we can track the details. So here we can restrict to some countries, website, page URL. Then here we can set sequence. Okay, then here below you can set some opportunity generation conditions. So if you want to generate certain industries, that is generate information related to insurance industries, we can add that here. Then we can filter companies based on size. So if you enable this, here we can set the size, the range, number of employees in the company. Then here we can extract contact details. That is, here we can set the number of contacts you need to filter. Then we can filter based on role and seniority. And if you select, according to that, you can see here field to select the preferred role or preferred seniority. Then below you can see some details related to opportunity data. That is, if you want to directly convert to create opportunity, or if you just want to create lead, you can select that. And here we can provide a suffix. So this will be appended in the name of generation lead as you can identify, so you can identify leader opportunity is generated with this rule. Then we can set sales team, salesperson, tags and priority for this, for the opportunity data. Okay. And after generation, you can see the total opportunities generated using this rule. So this is the first way, other way to generate leads. Then here we can see another thing, that is lead mining. So we can generate new leads based on their country, industry, size. For that also we have to, we need to have some credits. Okay, so here we can see that option, lead mining request. You can create request form where we can add the total number of companies you want to extract, or companies and their contacts. Then here we can see the countries, filter based on countries, states, industries, size of the company, then type. So we can see most of the details are same as that we have seen inside visit to lead rule. So here also we can extract contacts per company. Okay, and after creating, can submit this lead mining request. So we can also mine leads from opportunities. That is, when you go to pipeline, there you can find option to generate leads. So from here also we can generate leads. You can see the same form. And when you open leads, there also you can find the button to generate leads. That is, we can mine leads. So this is another way. Now, when you go to settings, here we can find an option to enrich leads. That is, you can enrich your leads automatically with company data based on their email address. So if you have some, with using minimal data, you can enrich your leads automatically. So this can be done on demand or enrich all leads automatically. So for this also we have to buy credits. Okay, so you can find a button inside lead form to enrich. That is for lead enrichment. So when you open a lead, then you can find the option to enrich lead. Okay, so here we can see lead enrichment based on email address will be done. So your balance for lead enrichment is insufficient. So in order to enrich leads, we have to go to IAP account and buy credits. Okay, so these are the main ways. These are the ways we can generate leads. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, please add your valuable comments below.